You don't need to lock the car up on.
No. It's a beautiful day.
Oh, glorious. It's almost been too warm. You just had to go in and cool off. Come on, Foggy. My old mate.
Oh, hang on. I'll just
Put them on. Oh, now I recognise you. Oh, that's you.
Oh!
Now that's. Oh, I remember you now. Oh, we're getting old, aren't we? Huh? Forget things.
Okay.
I forget people.
Lead me up the garden path.
All right, darling. Come on.
I've heard that story.
I know. Remember when you first came here, you were skipping around in some big old V8 bloody
Well, that's
patrol
what
car.
old Toyota.
Yep.
It eventually parked it.
Yeah. The whole house is on one level. If you do want the scooter,
No,
you can bring
no,
it.
no.
That was,
I'm fine in the home.
will make it seem delicious.
Are you painting in the church now?
Yeah.
You got to show us down there?
Sure, if you can wobble down there.
Well, I can ride my bike out.
Yes.
But we'll go in here first.
Don't trip on these fronds. All this.
Look up the
Garbage.
beautiful greenery.
Yeah. So this is another house.
Or where?
No, this is the new house. The old house is next door.
Oh, there's a different house.
Yep.
Well, you're lucky I went into the right door.
Well, I've still got it. I've still got next door too. It's just a
Oh,
bit.
you're a property man.
It's just, I'm a tycoon.
Yeah.
I've heard you bought a house in Wolf Canyon.
Yeah. A 600-acre house.
What happened to this starving artist thing?
Oh no, I'm too fat for that. That's the way.
Getting old as shit.
Yeah.
But it's better than being dead.
Well, for some people.
I wouldn't be dead for quids.
Yep, come in. See, this is all now nice and even.
Well, you got lovely floorboards. Did you
Yeah,
put
this
those
is
down?
this is all new. Yeah, the whole veranda and this whole back section of the house. That's the way.
Oh, look at this.
Come and I'll pour you a nice glass of wine.
This is
Might have a beer.
this is gorgeous.
Yeah.
Wow.
What can I get you, mate? What's your poison?
What have you got?
Everything. Whiskey, brandy, beer, wine.
Oh, well.
I got a little bit of water.
I won't get too drunk
What about you, Trevor?
or I'll fall asleep.
Oh, I'll have a wine. Sounds nice.
Why not? It's that time of the
Yeah,
day.
Nick would have a wine because he doesn't have to drive for a few hours.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll stop recording.
And they're only $30 on eBay
Yeah, so are these.
because when I'm riding my mobility scooter and I take my rolling suitcase in my left hand behind the scooter. So I'm going through the airport like this with a little big 20k suitcase behind me. And so I've got the accelerator, but the brake's there and I can't use it with the left hand. So I use the shoes as brakes. Somebody steps in front of me, I put my feet on the
Daredevil. Come and visit your old. Oh, it's all right. Just keep
What have we
walking.
done?
Just keep walking.
That just happened. I don't know how that happened.
Yeah, well there's an artwork already.
That's
Yeah.
right.
You need a laser bouncing through the broken glass.
Yes. So, you ready to see your old friend? He's over here, next to the Peter Powditch.
Well, yeah. Well, look at all this wonderful artwork.
I could put a chair here for you if you want to sit and observe.
Oh, yeah. Great. You fixed up that little bit of missing.
And I took the cover. There was a perspex covering it,
Yeah.
and I took that off
Okay.
because I realised it's a painting, and you want to be able to see the paint.
Well, I know the perspex were put there just to protect you.
But no, it's safe as houses here, and I've got this here.
Oh, great. That's beautiful.
Yeah.
No, that's great. it's got that history because it was smashed in the Yellow House.
Yes.
And I know who smashed it.
Oh, who? Juno Jeans.
Probably.
Yes, when you say she.
No, I know who it was. I won't say because he's a nice person.
Oh, Johnny.
No. He was always a bit crazy. And when Martin left the house, he was so pissed off. He felt like his father had left him.
Oh.
You know? And that's why he started smashing things.
Who was it? Oh, that'd be right. Yeah.
But he's come good now.
Oh, well, only last year. No, he's gorgeous. He's always been amazing. You should mention his name while this song's playing, because when we lived at Palm Beach, Bruce Gould was the most incredible dancer.
Yeah.
Do you remember?
Well, he used to dance
was like
Silver in the Synthetics.
Copulating
with all those drag queens.
snakes. Yeah. Yeah.
I've got him on a movie with all the drag queens.
Yeah.
Going up, riding the scenic railway in November.
Could you bear to sit in that chair for me, and I'll take a picture of you in front of this
Well, I
painting?
want you in the shot too.
Oh, no.
Yes.
But,
No, you're.
well, you
of
sit
course,
there
you're-
first. Look, and I
No,
put this...
you're important because you are the keeper of our spirits.
Well,
Now, this is part of our spirit.
That's right.
Right?
Yes.
And you are the keeper. You are the young man
Exactly.
who turned up, who understood the spirit of the 60s and what we were trying to do. Right? And you got us together, even though a lot of us were fighting each other.
Yes. No, I used to knock your heads together.
Because the walls of the Yellow House ran out of room for new paintings, and so people were painting on other people's paintings.
Yeah.
And Martin had this fight with Brett
Yes.
about what the wave, the Hokusai wave, should look like. You know, Martin's making little sperms come out, and Brett wanted claws coming out. And Martin would be there at night painting little sperms. He'd go to bed during the day. Brett would turn up in the morning and go, "What the fuck?" and start painting claws. Right? So Martin would come out and go, "What the fuck?" And he caught Brett doing this. Johnny Lewis was there at the time, and he threw a hammer at Brett.
Jesus.
Missed, thank God.
Yeah. That's right.
Martin could get very angry.
I know, I saw it. Now, you plonk yourself there,
Well, this is very...
and you can look at this beautiful Sally Gabori painting, which she's from Mornington Island.
Oh,
Sally Gabori,
really?
very, very famous Aboriginal artist. She's dead now.
Really? Oh, well, that's
But it's the complete opposite to ABRAXAS. But they reflect each other somehow. It bounces the light nicely too.
Well,
Where's my...
can I show you something?
Yeah, hang on.
Trevor, I need to get my yellow bag. If you don't mind.
Oh, wow. Oh, I have to film that. It's fantastic.
And this too.
Yes. Wow.
Do you want me to wear the hat?
Oh, yes. You go first.
Well, why am I on my own?
Because you're Roger Foley. Hang on a minute.
Oh,
Okay, go.
We have all afternoon.
Can you
That's
see this?
amazing with the light.
Can you see the Tim Leary book?
Yep. I'm just going to zoom in. Zoom.
And then go up to the painting. And I'll move the book away from the light. Is my head in the road? Is the light on the painting?
Well, you're casting a little shadow, but that's okay. That's seems what the afternoon's all about, casting a bit of shade. I'll just do a little still quickly.
Martin's song.
Oh, right.
You thought the leaden winter would bring you down forever, but you rode upon a steamer through the violence of the sun.
Shift that way. No, your head. keep going right there. You don't want to go down the path? No, keep going right.
Down there.
Because we're going to go around that little bit of fence. Now follow him. Yep, that's it. We're headed for the green bit. Purple patch.
Green?
Head right, head right.
Oh, down the alley there.
Yeah. And then we're going to go left. Slow down. No, left. Left.
Yeah, I'm just...
No, that's right.
We're gonna go this way.
This way. Frog? Yes, we're going to do a U-turn.
Oh, really? I went the wrong way.
Yeah. I don't want it to fall over. Okay.
I think you're fine from here.
Look at this. This thing can go faster than I can.
Oh, there's...
Yeah. Okay. Yep. Towards that open gate. Oh, fucking hell.
Bring my...
I want to get one of these things.
I didn't bring my walking.
It's here. I got it.
Turn.
Oh, here.
Yep.
Private, keep out, Roger.
What?
It says keep out. No,
It
sorry.
says keep out, but you can ignore that. Okay. That's good. And you've done it. Yes.
What a spot.
And you're in.
Oh, I smell paint. Oh. How's Elizabeth paint?
She's great.
Oh,
She's
that's
90
good.
this year.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's wonderful. So, she's coming out from organic soon. Yeah. What was his name? Yeah. I think that the Commonwealth Bank is now my front steps. Because there are these amazing, huge, dressed chunks of sandstone that we found in the garden. You know, you can
Waits
keep...
for you.
Yes, it behaves. It's patient, unlike me.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Good, good.
Yeah, and all these ones too.
And I like the floor too, great painting on the floor.
Yeah. I paint it every year.